Hello, welcome to Holme Lacy campus. I'm Richard Grindy, head of Holme Lacy campus, and what we're planning to do today is to take you around and give you a tour of the facilities that you'll be able to utilise when you come to study here. We offer a range of courses here at Holme Lacy, from land-based courses to our Rural Craft Centre. So please enjoy, and then at the end ask as many questions as you wish. Here at Holme Lacy we've got a full learning resource centre equipped with books, computers. Students can utilise this centre for directed study periods, during some classroom teaching time, and also to take out resources to take home to assist with their studies. So here we have the canteen at Holme Lacy. It serves an array of cold and hot food available to all students. Students sometimes come in here to grab a break between lessons or to socialise. So here we've got our animal unit. So our animal students utilise the animal unit for duties, for practical learning, and to learn health and husbandry on a wide variety of animals. This room in particular is our tropical room, where we've got a variety of snakes, tortoises, lizards, geckos, all for students to practice their handling, feeding and accommodating of animals. This room is our small animal rodent room, where again our learners will learn to feed and accommodate animals correctly and will practice handling skills. In here we've got gerbils, dagoos, hamsters, a wide variety of small animals for you to learn and love. So this is the outside area of our animal unit. And outdoor here we've got guinea pigs, we've got rabbits, our outdoor aviaries as well, and dog kennels which are just behind me here as well. You'll still utilise this area to harness your skills and still gain those valuable practical skills that you need for industry. So here we've got our agricultural machinery workshop. Students from our agricultural department and forestry and arboriculture department utilise this space. Anything from looking at maintenance of tractors, vehicles, and looking at chainsaw machinery as well. Our short courses that we offer are also delivered in this area. It's a valuable space both as a practical learning environment, but also theory delivery can be delivered in this area as well. This is our equine yard. Again, if you're wanting to study equine management or farriery, you'll utilise this facility here. We offer practical riding in our modules, as well as looking at stable duties and horse care as well. We've got an outdoor school, which you utilise, as well as the stables, a variety of horses in height and size, and we've also got an indoor school that students can utilise as well. Here we've got one of our welding bays. If you come to study blacksmithing with us, you'll utilise this area to gain your practical welding skills. We've also got a full workshop with a range of machines that you'll be able to utilise as well for both your welding and fabrication skill development. We also offer short qualifications in welding, so again you'll be able to utilise this facility. So here in our Rural Craft Centre, if you're wanting to come and study blacksmithing with us, we have a forge of 42 bays full equipment, power hammers, and all materials and tools that you would require, as well as you'll spend some time making some tools on the course as well, which you'll find out more from course tutors later. As the National School of Blacksmithing, we pride ourselves in our equipment, our practical facilities, and giving you the very, very best opportunity to gain those practical skills to fulfil your career fully. So please, if you are interested, come and join us, as we are the National School of Blacksmithing and also the biggest blacksmithing training centre in Europe. This is a slightly different forge. This is our farrier forge. So if you're interested in our farrier access course, in becoming a farrier, you'll utilise this space as a prerequisite course onto the farrier apprenticeship programme. Alternatively, if you're looking at a farrier apprentice or becoming a farrier apprentice, again, you'll utilise this on a block system.